Hello guys, it's me again and I'm gonna show you another pen. So this is a gift from Bobby and this is a personalized pen with engraved name. Yan, it comes with these two refills and this container. So in case na hindi mo gusto yung refill, you can opt to use naman the refills from Deli. So ang ginamit ko dito is SE124 and it fits. So to show you, I'm gonna test the refill from Deli. Maganda tong pen na to because it's personalized, yes, and yung body niya is parang metal. Yes, I think it's metal, and it's quite heavy to hold, but prefer ko naman. Ayan. So this is with the refill ha, and it's nice. So check it out.